The digital marketing space is expanding into new ways in which you, as a product creator or marketer, can use to sell your products online. So if you're looking for more ways to expand the potential ways in which you can sell your products to work alongside any other avenues that you have on the go with such elements like affiliate marketing and so forth, then selling your own digital products or courses could be the perfect avenue for you. Because by being able to sell your own digital products and services online, you have more control with regards to the potential sales in which you can earn and how much you can earn in terms of revenue. Because while affiliate marketing is a fantastic opportunity, especially if you're new to the whole online realm and you're looking to build a business, the truth is as an affiliate marketer, yes, you can promote products and services, and those products and services are already done for you and they have everything that's there that's catered to the specific requirements needed to sell. But there's not always a guarantee that they're always going to be available. There's often times when services can become outdated or can be taken off the market altogether, which can lead for you to instantly lose all of your revenue sharing abilities or even money making opportunities almost instantly or overnight. So the alternative to that is to create your own digital products and services once you've understood the whole concept of being able to market specific products. Because the truth is, if you can promote other people's products and services, why not promote your own? If you do decide to begin creating your own products and services to sell online, the first thing you need to be sure of is being able to choose the right platform that's going to be the most suitable and practical for your needs to build a business with. These platforms will need to cater to specific criteria that will have access to a range of useful tools and features, analytics, so that you can understand different key metrics in terms of sales, what's doing well and what's not doing so well. But also that provides excellent support so that if there is an issue that you can reach out and get it fixed very quickly. So with that being said, I've compiled a list of 5 different platforms that will be suitable for beginners to get started on this journey of creating your own products and services that you can then sell online, where you can have full control over all of the dynamics that's needed to market your business and the products you want to sell. So some of the criteria we'll be looking at with regards to these platforms in this video is we are going to take a look at the ease of use and user friendliness of the interface and how useful it will be for beginners to get up and running quickly. We will also take a look at the payment, processing and commission structures and how you can use it to earn money from sales. We'll also look at any customization options and branding capabilities that you can use to tie into promoting your own brand for your business, and how you can integrate all of the marketing and analytical tools to look at what's doing well and what's not doing as well, so that way then you can cater your specific elements and your content to those dynamics that are needed the most. And we will also look at the customer support and community resource elements to understand if it would be a good fit for you should you have an issue with any queries or issues on the platform when getting set up, and how supportive they will be in order for you to help fix problems moving forward so that you can have a streamlined process just to get started with selling and setting everything up. One of the most notable platforms currently online that many marketers and people looking to sell their own digital products tend to use is Gumroad. Gumroad has a lot of really useful and unique features that can help you to start selling your own products and services very, very quickly. It's free to sign up and get started. Gumroad will take a small percentage of each sale that you make from anything that you sell on the platform. You can pretty much sell to anyone. Plus it allows you to share your unique links and criteria throughout all of your different avenues, whether it be social media profiles with Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, but even also on your blogs and your YouTube channels. So they will take a small cut off of each sale that you make, which in hindsight isn't such a bad thing, because the reality is using platforms such as Gumroad takes out a lot of the unnecessary work that's needed to set up a proper cart-based system. Because if you want to use the likes of Shopify or even likes of Systemi.io which are all great platforms in their own right, and Systemi is also free to get started with. But there is a lot of behind the scenes elements that you need to utilise to get set up. So if you're an absolute beginner, you will need to take time to go through tutorials and look at beginner guides to help you set everything up, which may not be a suitable avenue for most people if they're looking just to get started quickly. With the likes of platforms such as Gumroad and the other platforms which I will share with you briefly, a lot of that more difficult element is removed from the equation. So literally you can come in, just set up your membership, set up your product categories, and literally just start selling straight away. So they do have their own support system, they do have FAQs and different types of avenues in which you can reach out for support, guidance, help. So there's loads of different avenues. And the cool thing about this is that you're not just confined to selling specific digital products. You can sell ebooks, you can sell artwork, you can sell audio files or even audiobooks, you can sell ebooks. There's really no limit to what you can sell. As long as if it can make you money, then you can sell it on this platform. So it's literally as simple as just opening your account, adding your product, setting up the description, setting your price, then start selling, and then utilising your social media avenues or videos or blog posts then to literally drive the traffic towards your offers. So for each product that you will sell on the platform, once you've set your page up, you will have a specific link that you can use then to embed into your descriptions and blog posts, so then you can start selling and get paid once you make a sale. So it's pretty straightforward. So if you are getting started, Gumroad is definitely a platform that you can look into. Similar to Gumroad, Milkshake is another unique app that allows you to set up specific sales pages and profiles to help you promote your products and services. But it also utilises some more unique features similar to other platforms such as Linktree and so forth, where you can create a page to house all of your specific links and profile pages all in one place. So if you're trying to drive traffic to not only your sales page, but you can also use this page as a means to direct them to other avenues or other business types or other products or services that you're also selling. So this is another really good way to utilize that. So you can sign up on the platform for free using your mobile phone. Then you can use all of the tools and features inside to help you get started, as it has access to a lot of different professional looking and high quality templates that will suit your own specific visual preferences in terms of how you want to create and build your brand. So you can create anything from about me pages, your profile specific pages, create FAQs, and then you can lead people on down the road to sell and even promote your own products. They also have their own support system in place as well that you can reach out should you have any queries or issues regards to the setup of your profile or any issues that you would have further down the line. So plus it also works on the likes of the Apple Store as well. So whether you have an iPhone or an Android device, you will be able to set this up with relative ease. So you just go through the process of getting started, adding in your content, setting up your profile and making it look the way that you want it to look. And then it's a case of adding in all of your details in terms of your social profiles and your links, so that you can add to your other social media profiles. Then you can add in your products so that you can then promote. So using the likes of this app will be perfect for the likes of your social media channels. If you're running the likes of Instagram or TikTok more specifically, using this here as a means to drive traffic to your products and services will be a very good addition to you making sales for your business. Amplify is another unique product and tool that you can use to promote and distribute your products online. Now with Amplify, it focuses a lot more of distribution of likes of music, marketing tools and features. So if you're a musician or a music artist of some kind, this could definitely be a good platform for you to promote your artistic elements from your music, your albums, and it integrates with different types of platforms with both YouTube, Apple Music, Spotify and many of the top end streaming services online, so that you can literally promote your content into more places and get more eyes, or get more ears in this case, on your content if you're a music creator. Plus it also does have a lot of cool elements and visual features that you can use to develop your own brand or to create your own style for your brand. But it doesn't just have to be just music as well. You can sell the the likes of your own merchandise, your own kind of like courses and other references based off of your brand as well. So you can build your own email lists. You can also have the ability to also earn tips. So people, if they don't want to buy from you but they want to support you, they can also donate as well through the app, which you can then withdraw your funds into your bank account or whatever paid service that you're using. So this is just another service that might be worth looking into should you decide to go down that road. And it is specific to a unique type of content creator, and especially if you're a music creator, this might be the avenue for you, but it will work in other areas too. Nano is another unique platform that allows you to build a social media optimized profile page in literally only a few minutes that you can use to promote your brand, your products, your services. And it's an ideal format to use, especially if you have access to a TikTok or Instagram profile in which you're using to build your social media presence, or if you want to sell your products through those platforms. This here utilizes a very similar element seen in the likes of Linktree and other apps that allows you to promote multiple links through the same page, but that also allows you to give viewers access to all of your different avenues all in one place. So Nano is essentially free to use to get started with, and it will allow you to get all of your elements up and running very, very quickly. It does have a unique support system as well, so you can reach out at any time through email, leave requests if you have any issues that you need fixing, or if you need help with any particular elements with the app itself to set up your profile so that you can start selling your products and services. So when you're building out your profile, it uses a unique drag and drop element where, very like more modern web page builders, where everything is drag and drop. So you don't need to worry about coding elements, so you don't have to have a background of coding because everything is all visual. You literally just drag the elements that you want, or the blocks that you want in this case, and then place them where you need to on the page so that you can create a unique flow to promote all of your specific styled elements from your brand, your categories and products and so forth, so people can get to know more about you. It is a platform that is worth looking at, and again, it is free to check out. Koji is another very useful app for selling products and services online to create your own unique categories and profiles, and it has a lot of unique elements seen in other apps that I've mentioned here in this video. It's free to sign up, it's easy to get set up with everything to create your pages, create your own brand specific types of profiles and so forth that will reflect your own brand identity. There's no hidden fees or monthly subscriptions. Very like Gumroad, Koji will just take a percentage off of each sale that you make. So they make the process for you to sell your own products and services very, very easily. So if we just look inside of the dashboard here of an account I have set up on another profile that I use for another channel, you can see behind the scenes of how Koji works. So you have access to your wallet. If you have any customers or revenue, it will let you know here. It will even let you know the traffic sources and your connected accounts, even where the clicks come from different links, even the countries in which the specific traffic actually comes from, if you've made any recent purchases. So if you have any money outstanding in your wallet, you can literally withdraw the funds to your bank account. So it uses Stripe, Bitcoin or PayPal. So you'll need to configure them once you sign up. But that's not the only thing that Koji allows you to do. It has access to a load of different templates. It has very unique tutorials as well that will show you exactly how to set up all of your unique preferences. And you can literally use the links that's provided with Koji to sell anywhere online. Many of the top content creators, both YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, a lot of them use Koji due to its simplicity and ease of use, as essentially this is technically a business in a box all in its own right. It provides you with everything from being able to market and house all of your unique digital products and services. So you can sell digital products, printable templates, eBooks. You can even sell audiobooks. You can even create and sell your own online courses. You can also set up your own tip jars. Even if you're a personal trainer, you can even sell your own workout routines and create your own specific app preferences and configure it in a way to showcase different workouts that you have, or even preview specific elements to give viewers a taste of what they can expect should they decide to purchase. Plus they have a lot of different app specific elements, so you can even set up crowdfunding, you can name your price, you can even ask for gifts, you have your tip jars, you can even create personalized shoutouts, even Q&As, video feedback, looking at different types of shopping elements. And you can integrate all of these with the likes of your other profiles with TikTok and Instagram and so forth. So there's a lot of different elements here. Now you don't need to use them all, but you can pick the ones that are going to be more specific to your unique brand, your unique interest, and the best type of value that you can provide for your audience. But most people generally like to have some form of a course or some form of a downloadable file like an ebook or a piece of art or some relevant form of step-by-step template like an audio book or a visual template of some kind, like a thumbnail design template that you can also use from the likes of Canva. So on Canva you can design your own unique templates. You can create ebook templates, you can create Facebook post templates, YouTube banners, you can even create YouTube thumbnails, or you can create a catalogue of, for example, say 50 or 100 thumbnail templates, and you can sell it all off through the likes of the digital products elements within inside of Koji, and even with the likes of Gumroad and other platforms as I mentioned. And then you can set your own price. You can add in all of the descriptions, add in all of the specific elements that is required, and then you can pretty much start selling. It will give you access to a unique link. You can also customize the link as well to make it unique to you, and then you can start promoting it through your link in bios on your Instagram and TikTok profiles, even on YouTube in your video descriptions, or even on landing pages if you have any specific websites or blog posts even. And very like Gumroad, Koji will take a percentage of each transaction, and it just makes the process very, very simple and pretty much effortless to use. And the likes of these platforms, as I mentioned here in this video, would be a perfect fit for an absolute beginner, especially if you're coming into this space with digital marketing but you're not really sure of how to build websites, you're not really sure of how to use specific tools or more detailed tools or page builders to understand how to put all the visual elements together so that you can craft a page that looks promising but at the same time is not going to be completely overwhelming to the viewer. All of that is removed from the equation with the likes of these type of platforms. You literally come in, set everything up. It'll only take a few minutes to categorize everything that's needed, and it's just a case of uploading your file or course or the specific elements that you want to sell. And then it's just a case of you get your link, you put it in your profile pages, and you literally just start promoting from there. So all of these platforms do take a lot of those headaches out of the equation, so you don't have to really think about how to learn new skills or learn new kind of avenues to build things. You can literally do everything here in the space of only a few minutes, and it's ideal for beginners. So just some key things to take note of when you're looking to create your own digital products to sell online is you need to be aware of the type of products that you actually want to sell, and you also need to combine that with understanding your target audience. You need to analyse their wants, needs and interests. Are you going to be able to create products that can benefit their particular interests or needs, that can help them solve problems or issues and provide overall value? So if that's something that you can do, then creating your own digital products will be the best path you can take. So the next question you probably have is, what type of products do you want to create? Do you want to create ebooks? Do you want to create likes of photograph collages, set up photo albums, create digital templates for ebooks, thumbnails, or various types of artwork? Or do you even want to plan, develop and sell your own online courses? If you have knowledge in a particular area or background that is suitable to your niche and that can cater to a specific need or interest, then all of these elements, including the development of an online course to teach all of the steps that you've learned on your journey, can also benefit those in need that are also looking for help with their issues as well. So by understanding your audience, most importantly, you can develop the products that's needed to sell through these digital marketplaces to cater to those interests. So we have provided an in-depth overview and looked at each platform, including Koji, Gumroad, Milkshake, Amplify, Nano, while even utilising some other tools to help give you more leverage in promoting your content and services. So by understanding the features, benefits and suitability of each platform, you will be able to determine which platform will align with your digital products and business goals. But I'm sure that you're interested in knowing more about how to create a digital product to sell from scratch and understand the steps needed to plan, develop and sell, which is why you need to check out this next video that will break down each of these processes into simple steps so you can start selling your product online.